Recently I saw a YouTube short video showcasing a simple buy-sell indicator. This indicator combines many other indicators like the Bollinger Bands or the RSI, and it is supposed to give accurate buy and sell signals. So I took a look on it and saw some potential, so as always I went over to ChatGPT, sent it the pinescript code of the indicator and asked it to code it into a strategy script. I added an ATR-based stop loss and take profit placement too, and my favorite trend filter, the smoothed moving average. After that, as usual, I started optimizing for a few assets, and this time I came up with two optimizations, one for Ethereum and one for the EUR-USD pair. The Ethereum one surprised me as well, as it is profitable on every single time frame from 5 minutes to daily, and does all of that with realistic fees included. So in today's video, I will show you the indicators needed and the rules of the strategy. After that, I will show you the two optimizations I made, one for Ethereum and the other for EUR-USD. Finally, I will pull up our strategy ranking spreadsheet and take a look on where this strategy is placed. Hello everyone and welcome to TradeSmart AI. If you are new here, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, take a look on the description where you can find our other YouTube channels, or Patreon and our affiliate links with great discounts for exchanges and trading bot automating services. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first of all, open up TradingView and set up the ETH/USDT 10-minute chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators. For this strategy, we will only need two indicators, an entry signal indicator and a stop loss and take profit indicator. For the entry signal indicator, we are going to use the Bollinger Bands Stochastic RSI Extreme indicator. So type in Bollinger Bands Stochastic RSI and you should see it coming up. Add this one to your chart. For stop loss and take profit, as usual, we will use the NNFX ATR. Add this one. The Bollinger Bands Stochastic RSI Extreme indicator will print you entry signals by these green or red arrows. And the NNFX ATR stop loss will look something like this. Before going over the rules, we need to change some settings, so open up the BBSR Extreme and set up these settings. For Bollinger Bands length I use 25, for STD-Dev I use 2.5, for the stochastic K-line I use 27, for the D 15, the RSI length is set to 15, the stochastic length is also 15, and for the upper we are using a 75 limit, and for the lower, which is here called upper, I think it's just a typo, is set to 40. Finally, let's open up the NNFX ATR. The X value, which is the ATR length, is set to 25, the SL, which is the stop loss distance, is set to a 10 times ATR distance, and the take profit level is set to a 60 times ATR distance. I know these stop loss and take profit values are huge, but trust me, the optimization I did gave these values to be the best. After that, click on the Styles tab, uncheck the Sell TP and the Sell SL, as this optimization is long only, and the main ATR. Then change the line styles to step line. And now let me show you the entry and exit rules for longs. Here we have a valid long entry signal. For a valid long entry, first the BBSR Extreme should print a buy signal. If you take a closer look, here you can see a tiny green arrow pointing upwards. And that is the buy signal. As I said, this is a really simple strategy, I just wanted to test out this indicator. So after that we can enter into a long position. Our stop loss will be placed at a 10 times ATR distance, which is signaled by this red line right here. Keep in mind that this stop loss will get updated on each new valid entry signal. I will talk about that in just a minute. For the take profit, we will set it to a 1:6 risk to reward ratio, which is a 60 times ATR distance. So if we zoom out, this blue line will be our take profit level. Here again, you have to keep in mind that the take profit level is updated on each new valid entry signal. And now let me show you what that means. So throughout the trade, we will usually get other entry signals. Right there, we get another green arrow. So if this occurs and you are already in an open position, we are not going to open another position. We're just going to update the stop loss and take profit placements. So after this signal, our stop loss will move right there. And our new take profits will be right there. This works somewhat like a trading stop loss. Let's see if we get another one. And yes, we do. Here is another valid long entry signal, and the stop loss gets updated right there, and the take profit right there. And soon after, the stop loss was hit. But of course, that does not mean that this trade was a losing one. Let's take a look. We open the trade here and close the trade here. So basically, that was a 1 to 1.66 risk to reward ratio trade that captured a 3.77% movement. Okay, as I said, this is a long only optimization. So now I won't show you a short example, but basically you need to see a sell signal, and the stop loss and take profit placement is almost the same, just in the opposite direction. And now, as always, let me show you the free script I coded for this strategy. To get access to the script, you just have to go down into the description or into the comment section. I left there a Google Drive link where you can download it for free. Once you downloaded it, just copy the full code, then go back to TradingView, open up the Pine editor, click on Open, then New Strategy, highlight everything here, and paste the code right there. Finally, you have to click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, you should see the script right here. Now let's open it up and I will go over it really quickly. In the script, you can set up all the parameters that are used in this strategy. There are two things that are important. You can set up your trading direction here. So if it's set long only, which it is set right now, that means the script will take only long positions. You can set it to shorts only or both. Besides that, on the bottom you can see an SMMA length and the filter type. The SMMA is my favorite trend filter indicator. You can see it right here. It is just a simple line, but it is my go-to trend filter. So if you don't want to use that, you have to set the filter type to 0. If you want to use it in a trend following way, meaning long entries are only allowed above the moving average and short trades are only allowed below the moving average, you have to set this value to 1. But if you want to use it in a mean reverting way, which is exactly the opposite, so long entries are only allowed below the moving average and short entries are only allowed above the moving average, you have to set this filter type to 2. But as I'm not using it for this optimization, let's set it 0. And now, let's take a look on the backtest results for ETH USDT. Then I will show you another optimization that I made for Euro USD. For the backtest, I am using a $10,000 capital with an $8,000 position sizing on each trade. I only allow one trade at a time. My commission is set to 0.1% and the slippage is set to 5 ticks. And let's see the backtest results. For ETH USDT 10-minute chart, during the last 4 years, this script generated 195 trades, which resulted in 380% net profit with a 39% win rate, a 1.9 profit factor, and a 25% maximum drawdown. If we take a look on the buy and hold equity curve, it is clear that this strategy doesn't outperform the ETH buy and hold, but this strategy has a much lower drawdown than holding Ethereum and going through this full bear market. And as I said, this strategy also works on lower and higher timeframes with the ETH USDT optimization. Let's take a look. These are the results on the 5-minute chart. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. It is still profitable, however, it has a bit high drawdown. 30-minute, still profitable, with actually better results than on the 10-minute. The 1 hour. Now we only get 30 trades and the 70% maximum drawdown, but it is still profitable. As always, you can decrease the drawdown by decreasing the order size. And let's see the 2 hour. And it is still profitable, but now even less trades. Okay, now let's take a look on the Euro USD optimization. Here you can see the Euro USD optimization. With this one, I am using again a $10,000 capital with a $30,000 position sizing, which means that we are using a 3x leverage on every trade. I am taking only one trade at a time. And here as a commission I am using 20 tick slippage. Now let's see the results for the Euro USD 30-minute time frame. Here are the results for the last 4 years. Throughout this period we got 431 trades, which generated only 67% profit with a 1.2 profit factor and 30% maximum drawdown. However, why I wanted to show you this is because you can see a huge drawdown at the beginning. If that drawdown wouldn't be there, the result will look much different. So let's change from March 1st to April 1st and let's see the results. Now it looks way better. we have 88% net profit with only 17% maximum drawdown. And as you can see at the end, it starts picking up really quickly. Looking at how it performs today, this period is the after backtest results, and it is still going higher and higher. This is not the best optimization, but I just wanted to give you a starting point if you want to optimize this strategy for Forex. Therefore, I won't be putting up this optimization on the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Talking about the spreadsheet, let's see where is the ETH USDT optimization is placed. Here you can see the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Today's strategy is the BBSR Extreme strategy. And here I put all the details of the backtest. And it generated 380% net profit. If I divide that by the last 4 years, it comes out to a 0.26% gain on average each day. This puts this strategy to the 10th place. It's not bad, but we have better strategies. This spreadsheet will be linked down in the description too, just besides the script download link. And that wraps up today's video. If you like this one, don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe, and check out our other strategy videos. You can also support my work through our Patreon, where you can get access to extra perks like our highly customizable scripts presented on our main channel, or to our huge crypto research spreadsheet covering more than 350 coins. Check out this video if you want to learn more about coding with ChatGPT, or this video if you are interested in our highly customizable scripts that can be turned into trading bots. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.